Hello, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm Rizky Pratama. I'm a student in Pancasakti University, Bekasi. English Education Department, 4th semester. Today, I would like to tell to you about common test technique quiz. For final term test, language testing. Common test techniques. What are test techniques? Test techniques are a means of eliciting behavior from candidates that will tell us about their language skill. Why we need test techniques? The first will elicit behavior that is a reliable and valid indicator of the ability we are interested in. The second will elicit behavior that can be reliable asset. The third, as economical as possible. Fourth, would have a beneficial backwash effect if this were relevant. For common test techniques, they are the one MCI, multiple choice items. Second, yes or no, true or false. The three, SII, AI, short answer items. Fourth, GFI, gaps fillings items. Multiple choice items. The basic structure of multiple choice is a rod consisting of several choices, one of which is true, the other is a deceiver. The most obvious advantage of multiple choice is that the assessment can be completely reliable. Assessment must also be fast and economical. The difficulties with multiple choice are as follows. 1. The techniques test only recognition knowledge. If there is a mismatch between at least some of the candidates' productive and receptive skill, performance on multiple choice tests can provide a fairly accurate picture of the candidate's abilities. 2. Guessing might have a considerable but unknowable effect on the test score. The problem is that we never know which part of a particular individual's score comes up through guesswork. 3. The difficulties with multiple choice are as follows. The basic problem here is that multiple choice questions require distractors, in which the distractors are not always available. In a grammar test, it is impossible to find 3 or 4 possible alternatives to the correct structure. An example is the difference in English between the past tense and the present perfect. 4. It is very difficult to write successful items. Professional test writers consider having to write more multiple choice items that they actually need for the test, and only after following a statistical analysis of performance on items can they identify items that can be used. It is my experience that my multiple choice item test product for use within institution often lack errors. Common among these are more than one correct answer. There is no right answer. There is a hint in which option is correct. 5. Black mass might be harmful. It is hardly necessary to point out that where the test that is important to students is multiple choice, there is a danger that practice for the test will have harmful effect on learning and teaching. 6. Cheating might be facilitated. The fact that the answer on multiple choice test A, B, C, and D is very easy to communicate with other candidates non-verbally. Short answer items. Items where the test taker must provide short answers are common, especially in listening and reading tests. Short answer items. Advantage over short answer items. Guessing will contribute less to test scores. The technique is not restricted by the need for the distraction. Cheating is likely to be more difficult, though great care must still be taken. Items should be easier to write. Yes or no and true or false. Items in which test takers only have to choose between yes and no or between true or false are effective multiple choice items with only two choices. Gap filling items. When the gap filling technique is used, it is important that the test taker is told very clearly and unequivocally that only one word can be put in each gap. It has the advantage of the short answer techniques, but the greater control it exercises over the test taker means that it does not call for significant productive skill. Okay, that's a little from me. about common test techniques. Okay, everybody, sorry for my mistakes, and thank you for watching. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Have a nice day.